The PBS Kids video app,
Come inside.
where you can watch full episodes of your favorite PBS Kids shows.
Oh.
Anytime and anywhere.
Cool. High five.
Take all the laughter and learning of PBS Kids with you wherever you go.
Awesome! Incredible!
Life lessons with every adventure, right at your fingertips.
Da-da-da-da.
The PBS Kids video app. Watch when you want, wherever you want. No subscription needed. Download on your device today.
Weekdays on PBS Kids. New friends
Hiya, Tuts. Hi, friends.
and new ways to have fun.
Dancing backward, dancing backward.
Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. Weekdays on PBS Kids or anytime at pbskids.org.
Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood is made possible in part by
Every kid should be encouraged to keep trying, even if they are a little puzzled along the way. That's why the Rite Aid Foundation, through its KidSense program, supports kids in neighborhoods like yours, and why we're proud to support Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood.
Talking with your child about what they see and hear helps them connect words with sounds and is a great way to build their language skills. With brain-building tips available on our app, Vroom is proud to support Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood.
and by the PNC Foundation.
Visit the neighborhood at pbskids.org.
Eleanor and her friends wonder why on PBS Kids.
I wonder.
Got a question?
I want to know why birds sing.
So does Eleanor.
I ask a lot of questions.
And so do her friends.
Where's that sound coming from? I wonder how that happened.
Because you can't really ask too many questions.
I'm going to figure out this mystery.
Eleanor wonders why. Weekdays on PBS Kids or watch it now on the PBS Kids video app.
Enhancing the lives of Tampa Bay families, Tampa Bay Parenting Magazine, in print and online, provides a monthly listing of fun activities, annual guide to Tampa Bay schools, e-learning tips from the pros, pandemic parenting focused on family mental health and well-being, as well as an insider look and information about comeback openings at Tampa Bay attractions. Learn more at tbparenting.com.